Good morning, students. Yesterday we have studied about motion and the terms related to motion. Today we are going to study about different types of motion. Motion is classified into two types: uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. First one, uniform motion. When an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, such type of motion is called a uniform motion. Suppose an object is moving along a straight line from A to B. If it covers 1 meter in 1 second, 2 meter in 2 seconds, 3 meter in 3 seconds, in every 1 second it covers 1 meter each. Such type of motion is called a uniform motion. Then second one, non-uniform motion. When an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, such type of motion is called a non-uniform motion. Suppose if this object covers 1 meter in 1 second, 5 meter in next second, and in third second it covers 7 meter, then such type of motion is called a non-uniform motion. If it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Then we have studied speed and velocity. Okay, speed and velocity literary meanings are same, but speed in a given direction is called velocity. When speed of an object changes, we can calculate average speed. Average speed of the total journey. Average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance upon total time taken. Total distance covered upon divided by total time taken. Average speed. When velocity of an object changes, velocity means speed in a given direction. When velocity of an object changes, we can calculate average velocity. Average velocity is equal to average velocity is denoted by VAV. Is equal to total displacement upon total time. When velocity of an object changes at a uniform rate, then average velocity is initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. VAV is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. VAV is equal to initial velocity is denoted by small letter u, final velocity is denoted by small letter v divided by 2. When velocity of an object changes at a uniform rate, average velocity VAV is equal to initial velocity u plus final velocity v upon 2. When velocity of an object changes at a non-uniform rate, average velocity is equal to total displacement upon total time taken. Then suppose velocity changes 5 meter per second, then in the next second 10 meter per second, the next second 15 meter per second. In every 1 second, its velocity changes 10 meter per second each. Such type of motion is called uniformly accelerated motion. Uniformly accelerated motion. In such cases, we can apply equation for average velocity VAV is equal to initial velocity u plus final velocity v divided by 2. When velocity of an object changes at a uniform rate, and when velocity of an object changes at a then average velocity total displacement divided by total time taken. Next term acceleration. Acceleration literally meaning speed up. When velocity of an object increases, then we can say that it's an accelerated motion. When velocity of an object decreases, then we can say that it's a deaccelerated motion or retardation. Deaccelerated motion. Or retardation. Acceleration literally meaning speed up. When velocity of an object increases, then we can say that accelerated motion. When velocity of an object decreases, then we can say that it's a deaccelerated motion or retardation. Then, in other words, rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity means change in velocity divided by time taken. Acceleration is denoted by small letter a. Acceleration is denoted by small letter a. It is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by acceleration a is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken. A is equal to final velocity is denoted by small letter v, velocity is denoted by small letter u, and time is denoted by small letter t. Acceleration a is equal to v minus u divided by t. Change in velocity upon time taken. Then the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. SI unit of acceleration meter divided by second square. The unit of velocity meter per second and the unit of time is second meter per. Therefore, the unit of acceleration meter per second square. We have studied acceleration. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Next two terms, uniformly accelerated motion and a non-uniformly accelerated motion. When velocity of an object changes at a uniform rate, it is called uniformly accelerated motion. When velocity of an object increases or decreases at a uniform rate, 5 meter per second, then in the next second velocity increases 10 meter per second. The next second again increases 15 meter per second. In every second 5 meter per second velocity increases. Such type of motion is called a uniformly accelerated motion. When velocity of an object increases at a non-uniform rate, then it is called non-uniform motion. When velocity of an object increases or decreases at a non-uniform rate, 5 meter per second, then 10 meter per second, the next second 25 meter per second, velocity increases or non-uniform rate. Such type of motion is called non-uniformly accelerated motion.